Hello again, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a request from a friend. He sent me a wooden base to put a LED light. This video is sponsored by 1163, handmade Portuguese viewer. So, let's start. As usually, the wiring diagram. Start marking the places to the components. Now, let's drill the base. For a more diffused light, I'm going to cut a piece of acrylic. I test the polarity. And mark the negative wire. Then, weld all the components following the wiring diagram. I sanded the top of the LED to make it flat. I used hot glue to put the components in place. A piece of acrylic is used to bring the light of the controller out. And this is the result. 2 layers of varnish for a good finish. After drying, I put a piece of leather on the bottom. With this, I cover all the components and leave a base that doesn't scratch. When charging, the acrylic turns to red. When charged, turns to blue. And this is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment and subscribe.